Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In our previous video, we left one thing was the formatting. We want the same formatting technique, which is happening here. It is working to be copied in here. So let's see how can we do this. Okay. So what we need to do is we go to the code and we do edit. And in here, we search what copy, dot copy. So this may lead us to the exact position where we want. Yeah, it is copying the dates, right? So when it can copy the day in the top row, it is copying the top row, right? This one, D1 to I1, right? So the same thing should be here. Okay, so the D4, let's see where it is. Yeah, this is the D4. Here we are only writing the formula. Okay, D4 to the last column, right? Okay, last column of X, last column X, right? Fair enough. Okay, so this is where we want to make the adjustment. This is simply the copying of D4, right? So we do one thing here that first of all, we write this formula to D4 only, okay? Because this is the position where the proper format is available, would be available, right? So we do one thing here. We put a breakpoint here, okay? Okay. And before we do any changes, let's put a breakpoint and do the needful. The second thing is that first let's make the format. What we want to do here is that we need a comma format here and we need reduced decimal position. Yes, this is how we want to be done on the entire range. Fair enough. Now let's go to Alt F11 and we run it rather. Let's run it. Okay, that's fine. So we are on this, for example, 3, right? Okay, right. So this is where we need to make the correction. The breakpoint did not work because it is the 3 range is here, not there, right? Okay, so we do here, this is the D3 and D4. We have to see the D4. This is the D4, right? Okay, so we put the breakpoint in here. Okay, now we run it again. Okay, say 3. Okay, yeah. So it has written the formula, right? Good. Now we want this formula to be copied. This entire thing is to be copied, right? Control V, and we say D4, only D4, yeah, is to be copied. Copied. To where it is to be copied, it is to be copied here. That's right. The entire range. So that the format of the entire range is consistent, right? Let's do it. Okay, so we have done. You have to remove the dot from here. That's right. Okay, so let's try it. F8. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so it has copied. Okay, so before copying it, it is actually whitewashing the format as well, right? So what is making this format omitted, right? We have to find it. That what makes this format which we have given be omitted from here. So we might have done something wrong. Let me check it again and get back to you. Okay, stop. Yeah. Uh, the issue was that at the start of each time when the button is clicked, this is the command which destroys the format, right? From all the rows between the range row 4, D4 is of course falling in this range, T4 to row 4000, entire row delete means clear all the formats. So we don't want to do this. We want this to be dot clear contents. Okay, contents. That is the command we should do, right? So this is the beauty of debugging, you know. It allows you to figure out what is happening, right? So let's do it again. We stop this macro and we start it again with this format. Let's apply the format what we want. We want this to be comma. We want to reduce it to 0 decimal position and let's run it. Good. Let's try. Yeah. Right. So this time the format is properly copied to all the cells. That's right. Okay. So uh, one thing we have achieved it. Let's run it so that it covers all. This is things all well done. Okay, I hope you understand it. That now the program is such that whatever the format you keep, you want to put here, that is the entire row report will take it as a consistent format, right? So it is up to the user, whatever the format he wants to keep it. For example, he wants it to be 1 decimal, for example, yeah, just 1 decimal, right? Fair enough. Now run it. Okay. So let's see. So all will be consistent to the 1 decimal position, right? Or if you want this to be having some color format as well, you can do that. Okay. The next thing we are going to do is we in the purchase order header, we have these 2 formulas uh, which we have recently written in order to accomplish this report. Okay, so why not put them also into the VBA code? Okay, so let's go to the VBA where PO header is being initialized. Alt F11. And the PO header, if we go to this generate test, so you remember the first thing we are doing is the PO header, and later on, once the header row is done, then PO details are written, and then it is going to the next slide. Okay, So at the end of the loop, we want this formula placement. This formula should be placed in the PO header sheet, right? So what we will do is we will on the J and K, right? On the J and K, we will put this formula. So let's make it, yeah. Control V. It's on the J. It is starting from 3, that's fine. And then we put a colon in J, and then we use this LR position, that is LR. LR is the last row which has yet been processed, right? So we put it in a here break. Yeah. So I think it is supposed to be -1, LR -1, because when it is blank, then it is taken out. So let's put -1, okay? Mm. So, so if LR is say 548, so 547 will be, well, and it can be anything, let's say, anything, let's say. Okay, LR. So this is, here we are going to put the formula is equal to this. And similarly, we are going to write another statement like this, and we will replace J with the K. We will replace J with the K in the next thing, K. And here we are going to bring the formulas which we have written in here, right? Okay, let's get this formula of 11 and put it right in here. And go to the K, take this formula and put it into these two ports, right? That's it, right? Okay. So this is it, and it has brought, it will bring all the values and which are, and that's it. So it will generate until the row number 500. You can increase or decrease this as per your preference, okay? So the more you are going to take it, it will go, it will make your data lengthy, no? It will generate more data. If you say make it 700, for example, so it will go on to until the row number 700. As soon as the row number is greater than 700, it will then stop. It will it will make it -1, and until that it will means from J3 to that row, it is going to write these formulas and so on and so forth. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed it, and uh, uh, let me first run it to you so that you see that it is working as per our expectation. So what we do is we go to the detail, and here is what we generate, right? We generate it so that it gets generated. So as soon as it finishes, we will check it out that the formulas are in place in the PO header, and yeah, the formulas are in place in the PO header, and 700, row number 700 is it is within the row number 700. It is within the row number 700. Yeah, that's right. And as you can see, yeah, it has finished it until here. So row number 700. Okay. So the formula is there, right? Okay. It's fair enough. Okay. So now you can recheck that your monthly summaries is properly working or not. Let's, right? Says you take the summary report for the supplier, and here is your summary, right? It comprehends. So let's verify that its total matches with all. We had 290,497. 290,497. Remember, 290,497. So 290,497. It's verified. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.